Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Raid Shadow Legend game on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Raid Shadow Legend game on iPhone is easy. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are, open up App Store. Into the search box, type in Raid Shadow Legend and search. Once the application is displayed on the screen, tap on the Get button and confirm your identity in order to download the app. Now wait for the application to be downloaded on your iPhone, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Raid Shadow Legend game on your iOS device. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.